Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Well, I am doing my first BeeBeeCraft video. And so what I have done is I have ordered some products from BeeBeeCraft.com, and I'm going to leave all the links in the description below for you to check it out. So this is my first package, and I want to share it with you and show you what I ordered. Sorry for the noise. It is all wrapped up really good in bubble wrap. Okay. All right, let me see. What did I order? Oh my gosh, is this fun or what? Okay, let's pull it all out. Get this out of the way. Okay, for starters, I've got these little spacer beads. They're diamond-shaped silver spacer beads. They've got a nice weight to them. Very shiny, very pretty. Let's open them and look at them. Oh, yes, that's very nice. Isn't that beautiful? So I make jewelry, and I make boho beads and tassels and junk journals, and so these will be an item that I will definitely enjoy. And there is some of the item information for you if you can see that. Like I said, I will have the link below. All right, what is the, oh my gosh, I saw these and had a fit over these, guys. Okay, these are some absolutely stunning beads that I have never, and I've got a lot of beads, but I have never seen any quite like this. I thought they were so beautiful. I had to try them out. All right, let's see. How do I get into these? Oh, goodness, it's in a little plastic box inside that box. That was very nice. Let me see if there's a... Look at this, guys. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I'm loving them. They are very boho looking. Almost cloisonne. Look at that. Different sizes, different shapes. There is reds and greens and blues with gold, and again, a very nice weight to these beads. I don't know what they're made out of. I can't quite tell. It looks like little stones, like little cracked stones in there or something. They are beautiful. I can't wait to use these. I'll show you what I'm going to make with those. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at this. Now, see, I have a thing about pearls. I do love pearls. All right, there's some information on this little pearl box. But again, I'll have the link below. But, you know, pearls come in all different colors. Look at these 10 different colors. And these are my colors. This just screams peacock. I hope that the color looks the same on the video, because these things are absolutely stunning. So there's two, actually I was going to say those are the same color, but they're not. This is a little darker. Two purples, a pink, 3 different greens, 3 different blues, and then a white. This green right here is stunning too. That's like a metallic. Well, they all look metallic. See how pretty that is? These are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous beads. And peacock is one of my favorite color schemes to work with. So this is going to be fabulous. Okay, and what is, this is my paperwork. Oh, look at this. So these are angel wings, because I like to make angel beads, like it's a little angel. And I didn't have hardly any angel wings left. So I found this little set. You get 8 sections in here. This nice little plastic with a nice closure. And inside here, oh my gosh, I hope you can see how beautiful these are. Now, these are not the antique silver kind of thing. These are shiny, shiny. These look like sterling, but they are not. They were a good price. Look at that. These are absolutely gorgeous. Look, you even get teeny, teeny. Can you see that little bitty one? How beautiful is that, guys? So this is my first BeeBeeCom order. I got all these goodies, and now I get to go make something with it. So watch for the video coming up soon of what I have created with all of these beautiful things. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit BeeBeeCraft.com. Thank you.